Easter virus. It is now defined as transmitted by request of the National Weather Service and the Centers for Disease Control. At this time, a new virus which is called Easter virus. It is now spreading all of New York City. Residents who live in the city of New York City must be evacuated now. As now, it is my dangerous to go outside. Wear a mask and for reasons. And just get water or fruit. Put a mask on it. As now this virus is now spreading all of New York and all New Jersey and all of Texas, all of Alabama, all of Florida, all of Ontario, all of Quebec, and must be evacuating now. As now the Easter virus is now spreading all of the United States, all of Canada, and all of Mexico, and all of Honduras. This dangerous situation. Beep, beep.